coming to the aspect of the growth engine course, how I have divided all these four directives are more about what, why, how, and when. I'll take you through that. So when we are talking about the growth engine course, and aligning it with the directive of keeping it simple, people are always busy, so we have to make it easy and make it clear for them, and it should be really clear as to what is it that we are talking about. So when we are talking about the growth engine course, uh, we are mentioning the what part of it. So we're gonna introduce ourselves, or we are gonna introduce the course in a way that we say that we are talking about a program that is designed in a way that it helps students face real market conditions with real clients. This will be the what directive of keeping it simple. Now coming to the why part of it, which is the being invaluable, because you have to differentiate yourself, you have to be a expert, so you will showcase your product value here. Why is it that your product is better than the others, or why is it that your product is worth the person to hear you out in the first place? So here we will be talking about MAG as a community of subject matter expertise, or professional learners, or learners who are looking to pursue their careers and hone their skills in sales, marketing, and strategy. We would also talk about the growth engine program being an industry first, where students get to implement what they learn in the classes immediately and take inputs from the market and continually adapt with the market response, and hence learn in the real time. So this will help them understand the why aspect of the program. While talking about always aligning, we talk about how. So how is it that how is your product aligned with their beliefs? So to do that, you have to become a member of their team. You have to show them how can you help. You have to adopt their beliefs and believe in their goals. So one of the goals that the growth engine course fulfills is that that's how we can go about it, is that the current education and learning takes place mostly in classes with minimal attunement with the existing marketing conditions. With Mad About Growth, the students learn from industry experts and professionals. So this will help them perform well in their job interviews during the placement drives. It will help improve their hiring factor. Hence, it will increase the placement numbers for the institution. And adding such courses to their curriculum would also improve their rankings. When talking about raising priorities, here we're talking about when. So we have to concentrate on what matters and prioritize it accordingly. We need to mold the solution into their main problem and pain points. And if they don't need it, they're not going to buy it, right? So let's say, for example, if we are pitching this to an institution in the beginning of a semester, let's say someone who's in MBA or someone who's doing their graduation, they are not likely to opt for it during that time. But if the same thing is approached towards at least like 3-4 months before the placement drives happen, or when they are in the last semester, that is when they'll be most likely to opt for it, because they are getting into a course which will help them become a industry ready professional. By the time they are finished with the course, they'll be ready to apply for their placements, or they'll be aware about what really happens outside in the marketing world. So this is what the dissection for Snap is with regard to the growth engine course, as to all the four directives explaining the what, why, and how, what, why, how, and when of Snap selling with regard to the growth engine course.